Hey guys, just received my new Sparx skate sharpener. Stick around as we open this baby up and set it up for the first time. Alright, so looks like we got ourselves a beer cozy. Sweet. Great for the outdoor rink. This looks like it would be my grinding wheel. No, this one looks like it's the one for setting it all up. So, see how that goes in a minute. Power cord. Standard stuff. Red bag, probably important. There's the actual grinding wheel. We went to 5/8. That's generally what my kids use. We'll see. Might have to order some more. You never know. So our local sports store is not that far away, but they're never open when you need it to be. We're constantly driving around. We've been there 2 or 3 times now. They've been closed, you know, it's like Sunday or Saturday, late after a practice, and yeah, just can't get there. Oh, I have to put you guys down. Hold on. Apparently it's just like a travel screw type deal. They want you to put it in before you haul it anywhere, take it anywhere. Interesting, better not lose that. I wanted to make this video mostly because I've seen a ton of videos on, you know, the machine itself in operation, and that's great, but how do you set it up from start to finish, right out of the box? I want to know, how do we get this thing working without any issues, hopefully, and if there is issues, well, we'll figure it out. But that's the whole purpose of this video, is showing you guys, you know, right from the start of unboxing it, how long is it going to take to set it up, orientate it, get it all going, and actually just be able to plug skates in there and sharpen them, you know, 1 or 2 passes, be ready for the next skate. So here we go. Okay, so step 1 is to install the clamp lever, is what this device is apparently. I had no idea when I opened the box. So yeah, it just apparently just clicks on the side here. Step 2, remove the travel guard. So open the skate clamp, and by pressing down on the lever, remove the travel guard and release the clamp lever. So apparently, somehow. Sweet. So this is the travel guard that they're talking about. And oh, there's a fancy little storage thing for the travel screw, which you might need. It's going to come in really handy when, you know, you go to town and We're at a tournament away and the kids all need their skates sharpened, and see if I bring it with me. Might just be that guy at the rink sharpening skates for everyone. But it's a good problem to have. Step 3, remove the travel screw. Well, looks like we got that done. Store the travel screw in the lever device. Okay, we did that as well. Man, we're nailing it. It's like we wrote the book. Oh baby, plug in the power cord. There was some other notes in here, kind of in the start of this whole thing, saying, you know, don't let kids under 13 use it, don't touch anything. You can press the little circle with a line through a button, the cancel button, twice. It'll stop the grinding wheel right in its tracks, which could damage your skates, but you know, if you need an emergency stop, probably better than pulling the plug, I would assume. Speaking of pulling plugs, what are we going to plug here? How about that guy? Alright, let's plug this bad boy in. Big red box here. The alignment process is required when you first receive your Sparx sharpener and also after every time the sharpener is moved or travels. So when we do take it out of town, we need to realign it. It's good to know. Wouldn't want a bunch of kids falling all over. Install the alignment ring. So open the glass door, the carriage will automatically move into the install position. Sharpener will play a ready tone. Oh wait, when do I turn it on? Oh, right there, turn it on. Boom, power baby. Whoa, did you get that? That's deadly. So deadly. All right, a little concerned about all the stuff inside though. Let's open this up and take out some of these things. Oh geez. All right. Oh, pretty cool. Okay, this is like the dust catching tray, I would presume. Got a bunch of plastic wrap on it I didn't take off. Yeah. Oh, warning card, warnings everywhere. Replacing the air filter, remove the empty dust tray. Oh, okay. So it has an air filter built in. I'll get you guys a close-up here. It's pretty sweet, actually. So you take a look, right down in there, there's an air filter. It looks like there's some other settings on there. Yeah, cool. It's pretty nice. I like the glass window, it's pretty cool. It's a nice touch. Okay, put this thing back. Probably should have this out of the way before all that other stuff. Oh, that doesn't look right. I think that's how it goes. Looks, feels right, looks right. It's under that thing. Oh yeah, stick your hand right in there, see what happens. Sweet, okay, where were we? Install alignment ring. Okay, so there's this alignment ring. It's this little doodad right here. Focus, baby. So this is the alignment ring, apparently. And it is gonna go in there. Alright, so it says actually, like there's the alignment tool, we're all beauty there. But there is an alignment mode we need to initiate by pressing the alignment button, which is, I don't know if you guys will see this. Ooh. That guy, right there. Boop. It's gonna crash. Ah, oh, so close. Now we're gonna look down this hole here. And we're gonna line it up. I'll see if I can figure it out and get you guys a shot of it. There it is. Check that out. So when you look through there, they want you to align that little line with the other groove. I think we're pretty close. Yeah, so that's it. I think we're aligned. They're gonna get some skates out here and fire in the next wheel, and let's fire a skate through it, see what happens. Pretty pumped. Love this thing so far. I'm gonna run this one through for you guys to see like how long it takes to do a complete set of skates, start to finish. So we just aligned it so we hit the right spot on the toe. We'll press play and let this run out. I'll speed it up a little. So there you have it, guys. A little over 6 minutes and 55 seconds, or 7 minutes, and we have perfectly sharpened skates out of this nice little machine. It's fantastic. I can't even get to the sports store in that time. So start to finish, I would say it's been about 2 hours since we started this video. Obviously after some editing, it's not going to be that long for you guys. But yeah, about 2 hours in, and we've done 2, 4, 6, 8 skates, so 4 pairs of skates. I would call it a success. I wouldn't have got them done at the sports store any quicker. It's a big investment at first, but I mean, I got 3 kids playing hockey now. I have another boy that's very, very young. We're going to get more than our money's back on this machine. Alright, so I bet you guys are like, oh, that's great, Gord. You got a skate sharpener, awesome. How do you know if it worked? Well, just so happens that we have the old ODR in the backyard. So I'm going to lace them up and we'll give this thing a whirl, see how it worked out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, that thing is pretty unreal. Very, very costly up front, obviously. But with 4 young kids, 3 of them currently skating and playing hockey, we're going through a skate sharpening card basically every month, I would say. So I mean, it's 80 Canadian dollars a month. You know, over their lifetime, we're gonna get that back. So the convenience is the other big thing. I mean, not having to go into the store, like we've been in multiple times now, and they're closed or they're not ready or they want you to wait, and the kid that's there just could not care less about what he's doing. I don't know. Seemed like a no-brainer for us. I'm sure that a lot of you it'd be a very, very pricey proposition, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. I have no skin in the game. I'm not an influencer for Sparx. I'm not gonna affiliate it in any way. I just bought the machine because I wanted the convenience. And so far I'm happy. I'll let you know maybe in another month or 2. Oh look, the lights went out. That's awesome for my shot. Hey, camera works though. Now we're backlit, baby. So yeah, maybe in a video coming up I'll go over the outdoor rink. I'll explain what I did to build this, how it happened, how it came to be. I've also built a puck passer. Kind of cheap that way. Spent a ton of money on a skate sharpener, and then I go and build a puck passing machine because I don't want to spend $120 on that. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, that'll be the next video I do. Maybe I'll build that puck passer and show you guys exactly what you need. There'll be a full list of materials and how to put it together. So stay tuned. You want to let me know down in the comments below maybe what you think of the Sparx machine. Is it worth the money? I mean, it's obviously not for everyone, but yeah, I'm open for discussion. I'd like to hear what your thoughts are. Thanks. And I'll see you guys soon.